Hi everyone and welcome back to my third tutorial. We're gonna take a look at how to create FaceMap and Vertex group directly from the spy menu. So if I select face, let's say this one, delete everything, okay. You control click on face, it will add a face map that you can select after. Okay, select this one, control click on face, it creates another face map. If you select this one, press Alt and right click drag on face, it will select the face map you have created before. Okay, and it works quite the same way for the vertex group. So let's select this, for example, and this. Control click on vertex. It will create a vertex group. Okay. Select this. Okay. Control click. It will create another vertex group. If you select one vertex, press Alt left, right click mouse, not left, sorry, select a vertex, right click mouse and drag, it will select the vertex group from this vertex point, and you can do the same here. I think it's very efficient to store many selections and to record them. Hope you find it useful and see you on the next tutorial. See you, bye bye.